Hey everyone, and welcome to the Web Spring Cleaning Challenge. I am so excited to have you here. Thank you for signing up. I hope that I will provide some kind of help to you for these next 4 days. Each day I will send you a different task to do or something to make notes about that will help your business or your blog's web presence online. So just to be clear, even though a lot of this will be focused around your website, it won't just be about your website. It's going to be about your social media platforms as well, and any links out there that might be pointing to your website or anything that might include your name out there. So each day I will send you a PDF with either a checklist or just a place for you to write down your notes. And I'm going to be sending a hopefully short little videos. I'm going to try to keep them really short. I think today's will be the longest because I'm doing this introduction and then I'm going to introduce myself, but I will try to keep the rest of them under 5 minutes. I know that you need to get on with your day, but also with the PDFs, I will have instructions on what you're supposed to do that day. So if you miss anything I say because I'm talking too fast, or if you just didn't hear me, or you don't want to watch the videos at all, then feel free just to follow the instructions in the attached file. So now I will quickly introduce myself for those of you that don't know who I am yet. My name is Kylie Howe, and I run and own a web development and digital marketing company with my husband Matt. It's called SEO Web First. We have been in this industry now for over 10 years, and we started out by creating our own websites and marketing them for ourselves. And then we decided to move on into doing it for other businesses as well. It is a hard task, but we continue our learning every day just to try and keep up with all the ever-changing web trends and systems that keep being thrown up out there. During this challenge, if you have any questions at all, feel free to ask me, send me a message, or you can join our free Facebook group, Web Basics for Online Bosses. I've included the link in all the PDFs that will be sent to you, and you can ask your questions there, and either me or one of the other entrepreneurs in the group will be happy to answer them and help you out. Before I go into today's challenge, let me just say, overall, don't get stressed out by this challenge. It's not meant to keep you up at night. It's just to bring your awareness to things that could help your website and business online. So each day, make notes, add it to your to-do list or your monthly goals, accomplish it that day. Just work at your own pace. It is just simply, like I said, to bring awareness to how far you've come in your business and how you would like to evolve in the near future. Take, for example, this image of me that is clearly telling me I need to get some professional photos done and update them on my social media sites and on slides like this one. So I will add that to my to-do list. Now I'm going to start. So today's challenge is just gathering links. It is an easy one, but it is going to be tedious. So up on the screen, I've got a Google Doc spreadsheet that I've included and attached to your message. But I just assume that everybody has a Google account. If you don't worry. I also attached an Excel sheet that you could use, or you can just open up any Word document that you want and create your own, or just write down the links that you're going to be making note of today. So in this spreadsheet, I have included web page links, blog links. So if you're like us and you have a website but then you have a separate blog, it'll make it cleaner for you. And then social media links, other websites, so anybody that has links that are pointing to your website, directory links, and then other pages. Now the other pages are where you stick links out there that you're not sure what they are, and then you can make notes or comments about them. I'll show you how to do them in a second. But for now, we're going to start just by collecting your web pages that Google has indexed. So you type in site, www, whatever your website name is, .com, and it should pull up all of the pages that Google has ever indexed for your website. Now, as you can see, we have a lot. So you don't need to copy and paste all of them, but just kind of go through each Google page that you show up on and, you know, see if there's anything. But see, like something like this where it says tag, that's just a tag that Google's picking up from our blog. You don't need to copy down those links. But what you do need to copy down are old blog posts, like this one that I have from November 14th, 2017. So it's about Twitter, and it seems, oh wait, never mind, that's not the one I was thinking about. This one, sorry, November 7th, 2011. Yeah, that's a lot further back. So just copy, and then I'm gonna pull up the spreadsheet and paste it into my blog links right there. And we will be getting back to those old blog post links that you find on day 3 or day 4 of this challenge. I should have started with, obviously, our homepage. So I'll put that there. And yeah, so just go through the list, see whatever you pull up from your own website. And then we're going to do a different type of search, which is going to pull up anything that has your domain name or your just whatever you go by. You could go by your first and last name. I don't know what your brand or your business name is, but you're going to type it in. Oh, and I should note, before doing this, I recommend having an antivirus program on your computer because some of the links out there might be sketchy. Like earlier, I was pulling up one and it was virus. Thankfully, I've got a program and it stopped it. But after you've done that, you're going to, in quotes, put your brand name or your business name and then go through the list. Now, as you can see here, I've got my social media links that pop up too. So I'm just going to put that right there. I don't like that copied that way, but can't get too picky. So, like I said, you're going to come across some weird ones like this one I did. And I saw that SEO Web First all popped up, but like I said, if you have a common business name like that has a lot of keywords out there, then you might just show up for something else that has nothing to do with your business and your website. So you can ignore those ones. But this one I do notice grabbed a sentence from our old website. So I'm just going to put it in either way. And then just make a note and check on it later. You can make a note or a comment by right-clicking, and then here you insert comment or insert note, and I'll just say check later. Another one I wanted to bring to your attention was this weird one where I can tell it's our old website before we did our redesign because it's got all of our old content, but then it has this weird list of different directory keywords. So I want to make a note of that. They're obviously missing our CSS and our design. Might be something to look into. But like I said, you don't need to worry about that too much anyways. That's not what we're here for. It's just to kind of bring your awareness to everything. I think, let me see. Yeah, so, I mean, I don't know how long it'll take you. Try not to hate me too much for this one day. I hope that the next task will be more fun for you, but just so you know, it is good to have a list of your web pages and your social media pages all in one place, just to kind of, you know, each either quarterly or monthly or yearly that you can do a checkup on your links out there. Let me see. Yeah, so that's all for today. We will use this list again during the next 3 days, so keep it on hand. And thanks for joining. We will see you tomorrow where we're going to be doing a social media cleanup. So hopefully that is a little bit more fun than gathering these boring links. But thanks for joining in. And like I said, if you have any questions, feel free to ask. Have a great day.